Identify the media to be targeted. What is the media that you want to write to? And then you have to find the right reporter that covers the topic that you want, or the producer that books that guest. You find it simply, if there's a website, scroll down to the bottom, look for Contact Us, see if they have an editorial newsroom. Call them up and say, I'd like to send you some information or a pitch on a story. Who do I send it to? And then you have to pitch the whole story. Local media wants local news hooks. I mean, my clients all want to be in the New York Times. And the first thing the New York Times says to me is, what do you have going on in New York City? And are they based here? And if they're not interested. So find something local. If it's a community newspaper or weekly, you've got to get something in their community. They're not covering the next town over. If it's Brooklyn, there's 20 community newspapers. There's none for even the whole borough. Consumer media requires things be timely and newsworthy, and ideally avoid being evergreen. Evergreen means they could do the story today, tomorrow, 6 weeks from now, 2 years from now. Make it timely. If you're a bakery, look at the national events calendar and find out when it's National Cupcake Day. And then 2 weeks before, say it's National Cupcake Day, I can pitch a story about cupcakes to the media. Try and find any crazy holiday, any crazy news hook that you can get to make it timely. And that gives them a sense of urgency to cover it.